Hi, this is V and you're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today I have multiple cards to share. We have regular cards and memory decks cards. So here is a memory decks card that I will definitely share with you. And I'm going to start off with the die that I use from scrapdivadesigns.com. I am using the Hey There Pumpkin small die. It's a 4-piece set. Here is all of the information that you will need. It will be linked in the description below. Go ahead and check that out. I also have a discount code for you. That's V10%. And you can save 10%, and it's VEE10 and the percent sign. So here is my Halloween candy corn memory decks card, and it's very simply made. I added the Hey There Pumpkin die. I also added a bat for my stash, and as you can see, I have the candy corn memory decks, and I will share that with you in a bit here. So I am using also from scrapdivadesigns.com are the shaker plates, and these have different style leaves. It also comes with a mushroom. So I thought it was I thought I'd pair it with the orange, and I'm sticking with orange, black, and teal here. I do have that small pumpkin in pink. So I thought this was such a cute card. You can use it as a card, and also it comes as a shaker. So here are all of the pieces. You get so many pieces. The eyes there, I don't think those belong to that die, so I apologize for that. I'll have to double check. So here is my second card. I am using the larger Hey Pumpkin die set, and I'm showing you the Buttons Galore and More sequence mix and bit mix. So this is my first card that I ever made using the Never Ending shaker. And so I believe that was created by Sabrina Ann. I will have her linked below. And I'm also using the Ruffle die set, which I will go over in a bit. So I'm just showing you here the Hey Pumpkin die set. It's the larger. Here is the Ruffles Border die set. So as you can see, I did cut it to size, and I added a ribbon and also tied a bow on the edge there, and just a very simple card. If you need a last minute card, these are the cards for you here. They're so simple. You can whip these up within a few hours and you're all set to go and send them off. I was hoping to finish these quick and send them off in boom mail, but unfortunately I wasn't unable to do that, so it will have to wait for next year. So this die set here is the Truck Mini album. I am using it as a card. There's so much inspiration on the mini album. Follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. So I paired the truck die with the small slider set number 2. And so it comes with tons of pieces. So I will share with you how that looks. I'm just showing you the card here. I did use some stamps from my stash. I will have that linked below in case you like that. I'm not sure if they're available or not. As far as scrapdivadesigns.com, some of her dies may be on pre-order. So if they're on pre-order, they have been sold out before, and I would order it as soon as possible because it can be sold out again. So I showed you the slider, and there it is. So I'm just sharing with you how it looks side by side with the paper. And so as you can see, the opening there. And so I just love how this one turned out. I don't make cards very often, and thought I would try making some cards. And they're very simply done. I also made tags out of this Keychain number 2 die set. And so yeah, you could just make multiple of these and add them as a tag. So here are the tags here. I also put some Buttons Galore and More shaker mix in there. It's actually glow in the dark, so you might like to check that out. So yeah, that one is called the Keychain number 2, and here are all the dies for that. It does come with a pocket, which I did not use in this video. However, in my demo video, you will see that pocket. So here it is here. I did a Halloween as well, and I just love how it turned out. And the shaker part is a plus. I just love shakers. So yeah, there it is there. The next one that I'm going to share with you is my favorite. This one is the Door mini album. So this could definitely become a mini album. This would be a cover for a mini album. And I just love it. There are other talented crafters who have already created mini albums with this, so check that out. But this is my card here. Inside it says let's get spooky. On the outside says it's Halloween. And so I just love Jack Skellington, and I enjoy coloring stamp pieces. I'm also using a die from last month's release, and that's the pumpkin there. It was a pumpkin mini album. Here it is. And it also comes with a very miniature small pumpkin there. And so I included it here. So as you can see, the windows, they're done with vellum. And I do have the shaker mix from Buttons Galore and More. So here are the dies here. And I'm sharing with you how it looks against the card. And I just love how it turned out as well. That's my favorite. So that part that I'm pointing at is for the mini album spine. You get so many pieces in this die set. You also get some greenery there, and you get a word piece that says Believe and Explore. You also get the liner for the windows, and I'm going to show you a demo here. So those are the demos there. So Believe and Explore, and then here's the demo that I did when the release first came out. So I enjoyed making these cards, you guys. I just love card making. I'm not very good at it, but I enjoy it, and I enjoy coloring as well. I used alcohol markers from American Crafts, and I just love how it turned out. And hopefully I could make some more, because I always love working with stamps. As you can see in all of my Halloween series, Spooky V series, you can see that I'm always using stamps. Unfortunately, Spooky V will not be out this year. Unfortunately, I can't do a series. So yeah, I'm bummed about that. However, hopefully I can get everything ready for next year and bring back Spooky V again. So I think I was on the 3rd year, so I enjoyed it so much. However, these days I cannot seem to get to my series. So yeah, so this is the last of the cards here, and I hope you enjoy them. Get some inspiration and get your alcohol markers out, start coloring, because it is very therapeutic to sit there and color. I just love it. So this about concludes the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.